Hi, so I am going to introduce our project, DTMF-based contactless device on elevator. We developed a hardware that can tell from the audio signal to touch the button for you in contactless way. Our device consists the chip in microprocessor and will be installed in the cabinet of all elevators. Let's talk about the concept of background. What is DTMF? DTMF means dual to multi-frequency. Its definition is simply that pressing different buttons on the dial will generate audio signals. On the right, it's a comparison table showing different frequency combinations of different keys. In short, we can get the corresponding number by the audio's frequency. To apply our hardware, we choose to apply on elevator because there are 40 times of bacteria on buttons than the toilet. Also, the number of elevators are huge, and then the device can have promising future and market potential. Let's talk more about our progress. In order for the device to successfully complete the task, there are two main steps, hardware and software. Let's introduce the different stages in turn. The first is the hardware design. We arrange our parts list and design the PCB board and solder the parts together to make our device. The hardware part is pretty amazing because we built our own version of hardware which is customized and special. Next is the second stage, the preparation of a microcontroller program and the preparation of a serial port debugging program. The code for the hardware is written in C programming language, and here is part of the code. We use the MT8870 chip, so the code is simpler. This part of code shows how the audio signal is decoded by our device and then be shown in decimal digital numbers. This is the serial port debugging and display program. We can connect our device and transfer the signal to the computer, which facilitates debugging and display. Also, you can see from the video how our device is working. Here are some design and beautification work related to the project. To briefly introduce, the first one is a small logo of our team. Because our project is audio related, we choose an audio related theme, Shepard tone. And the following is a 3D printing shell looks like a mature product after being covered. Because of some limitation of the hardware, this is the most beautiful experience. In the middle is the screen display, and the 3 bars are reserved for the microphone. Now let's look at the current situation. It is that we have the basic prototype equipment, and we have also done some research on the use of the equipment. There is also the basic beautification and design, with the logo and the shell. This is the status of our project. Last but not least, let's talk about the original idea and how it came up. The reason why we formed a team is that we participated in Tandon challenge at the very beginning and when I was still in high school, and in the context of epidemic, as a college that respects science and innovation, the School of Engineering held a competition for freshmen to write proposals based on 3 themes and invent some small technology-related devices. The first theme is to invent some contactless devices. The picture in the leftmost frame is the icon and title of that theme. The competition provides us an opportunity to innovate and make the world a better place. By competing and pitching, I am fascinated by the discussion we have and the cooperating spirit and inspiration we generate for each other. TMC taught me that teamwork is really important. Also, we receive huge amounts of support and opinions from TAs, professors, and the TMC team, and even peer competitors. Also, we received the funding to build our project. Here, I want to thank the TMC and the TMC team and the Tandon School of Engineering for giving us a great competition and environment. That's all. Thank you for listening.